What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be showing you guys two new Sheepy cars, a funny live reaction video that's really funny, and also an event called Shitbox vs Supercars. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video because this is going to be a good one. And also please comment down below if you guys would like to see more videos like this. And yeah, appreciate you guys. Ferrari?
Turbo Huracan Evo. So this thing's about 1400 horsepower, all-wheel drive. It's just everything about it is insane. The interior is a perfect spec interior, exterior car, and then on top of the fact that the way it puts down power is just violent.
That's what this feels like though. Yeah. Well, you were saying something about the interior?
It's a perfect spec. I think the car, if you take away the twin turbo part of the car, the actual car itself is a pretty solid spec.
Let's take a look at the inside really quick. Look at this.
Andres, stand right here.
Go for it.
Wait.
Ah!
Over here.
God damn, what do you think?
That was loud.
That shit too loud.
Sure. What do you think?
Fast.
Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back here at Hive again. So today we're going to be hosting Shitbox versus Supercars. So pretty much today we have our vendor side. We're going to be having the Hot Wheels side and the Churro side all the way over there in the back. Today should be a good turnout. We'll show you guys inside really quick and show you what's going on. See you guys in there. Hello? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Does literally nothing around here, so.
I saw the merch, dude.
Nah, just kidding. Nah, he takes care of all the merch side of things. Merch, exactly, top secret. We got hats, hoodies, grading parts.
Top secret stuff over there too.
A lot of top secret on that side. What's up, bro?
Hey, wait, hey. We got the merch.
We got the merch on Diego Morales. We got Mama Hive in the back. Yeah, but everything's turning out pretty cool. Hi. Yeah. So what's up? What's your favorite car already? No, how was the Lambo? The white one. Look at his stance. The dad stance. The dad stance.
What did he say earlier? He was like, yeah.
Oh, yeah. The tees are sold. Yeah, you guys didn't check it out already. They're right there in the back. Wait, who bought them? Diego, who bought them? For what car? For, oh my god, the tees are going on this sexy beast thing. But yeah, we'll show you a little bit more of this car. It's pretty wild. I took a video of it when it first started coming in. Damn, it's actually a pretty nice build. I like these seats though. I want to get them for my Subi. I'll show you guys my Subi later on in the videos. But Alex is here. Dariana's here. What?
Yeah, I'm gonna comment on the picture, like videos.
This one he just pulled off like last week and it's arriving right now, but motor wise, the body, the interior, this is probably the cleanest E30 I've ever seen in my life.
So it's 12:55 right now, and pretty much all the cars are already leaving. It was more like a chill morning meet, but in my opinion, I like the night meets because everybody likes to chill here with the lights on and everything like that. But either way, it turned out to be pretty cool. Meet 30 M3 just got here, and oh my god, I'll tell you what, it's too clean. It's on BBS's. That's Evan's project right there. Evan from Auto Armor. He does all of our wraps, clear bras, anything you name it, anything wrapping, he does it. So what's about to go down or now?
My good friend here.
Yeah.
He was sitting in a R34 V-Spec.
That's a V-Spec too. Is it gonna be your first time ever? Yeah.
I'm lucky to just look on the interior.
Oh, go for it. How's it feel?
I'm happy for you, just man.
You feel like a little kid right now, huh? Like excited, but like you don't know how to control it. You're just like, damn, it's here.
Just
Like think about it, you're in an R34.
overcome with
Paul Walker sat in that seat. He drove the car. He touched that steering wheel.
bro,
We're
for real.
in the same seat as Paul Walker. May you rest in peace.
Yeah. Yeah. You gotta take it in. The meet was from 10 to 1 p.m. If you didn't make it, it's okay. We're always gonna have another meet, but yeah, it's already 1:33. We're gonna go take this for a ride. I'll probably give them the camera really quick, and you'll see Uncle Rigo's reaction really quick.
So we're in 2000 what?
2016
2016.
Lamborghini Huracan Sheepy twin turbo, 1,000 wheel horsepower, 1,000 foot-pounds of torque.
I'm next.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we're in this Sheepy Lambo that's F1 inspired.
This thing's up. Oh, you know what? I might have to let it heat up real quick.
Let's take it on the
Oh, you know
freeway.
what? It's good.
Let's take it on the freeway and come back.
I can mop it up here. It's pretty warm now. I'm probably gonna spin a bit, but it's pretty warm.
Alright, we're going to the house to go eat really quick, and then we'll see where we end up after that. What did they order? Duna. Family over here eating chicken wings. That's probably gonna conclude the video for today. Hope you guys liked the whole video. Yeah, so right now the whole family's just chilling. But yeah, we're probably just gonna close the video out here. Everybody's got done eating, everybody's just chatting, having a good time. And yeah, thanks for everybody that came out for the meet, and we appreciate you all. Thank you. The secret gem, huh?